morning, good afternoon, and good evening. So in this video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer bookmarks from one browser to another, or more specifically, Microsoft Edge browsers, or rather Microsoft Edge bookmarks, to transfer them on Google Chrome bookmarks, okay? So before we get started right there, if you're using a laptop, please don't be afraid because I'm using a desktop. It's literally the same process, even on your MacBook, okay? Even I'm using Windows, you're using Mac, it's perfectly the same. The first thing I want you to do is make sure we have the most updated version we have. So just type in Windows Update right there, check for updates. I always do this if before any trial, for example, phone, laptop, tablet, I always ask for most recent updates. And as you can see, this PC does not currently meet the minimum system requirements for Windows 11. That is perfectly fine because I'm perfectly happy with Windows 10. That being said, as you can see here, I have a download and install option, and I'm currently downloading it right now. However, I'm not going to install it right now because it will take too much time. Anyway, let's get straight into it. The first thing is, of course, open your Microsoft Edge. Let me just open Microsoft Edge right here, and as you can see, I have an account signed in. It says personal. Make sure you see this thing is on, right? There's a green icon right here. Now, once you make sure you're logged in properly, you see this thing is on, the green icon right there. Go open your Google Chrome. As you can see here, I have a lot of accounts right here. Now, for example, I just want to transfer the bookmarks I have on the Microsoft Edge. Basically, the only way and the fastest way right here is log in your Google account on Google Chrome, the one you use on Microsoft Edge. Basically, the same account should be logged in on both browsers. On this sense, this is gonna be my account, and I'm gonna log in here using this one. Okay? As you can see here, my bookmark can be transferred by simply clicking the three dots right here and hover for the bookmark, and then you can see show bookmarks bar right there is toggled. If I untoggle that one, it will be removed. To put it back, I can just simply click it right there. Okay? And that's how you transfer bookmarks from Microsoft Edge to Google Chrome or any browser to another one. Okay? So thank you so much for watching. Please hit the like button, subscribe, and I'll catch you on the next one.